Something happens to you when you leave this town. I remember all of it.
We can't let it happen again.
Alright, so did I mention sometimes I lose footage? Well, this is one of those times, but luckily all that's been missed is some things that I have done all before on my channel a countless number of times. Using a reference photo to map out where I'm wanting the marks to go, and then going in with some rigid collodion, a nasty little special effects item that suctions the skin to which it's applied to, making a slight scarring effect. The more layers you add within reason, the more of a scarring effect is going to be done, the more dense of a scar you'll end up with. I had about 8 layers to get this effect, then a white water activated paint to start with, wrinkling my forehead for the messier look, almost as if the Joker. And then all over my face furthermore, except for over the scarring, but definitely between each line. Going back and forth between adding white down and taking a cotton square with some water on it and roughing the texture up a little bit makes it look just a little bit messier once again. Going down on my neck. Hydrating with some water, not mixed in with the paints, and continue on with a red water activated paint. All over those scars I'm using a very fine brush, a detailing brush. As they are placed, this is in the start of our bloody good time. I'm placing this around the sides of my lips as well and slightly blending in, almost like a ombre lip look. With some scab blood, I'm adding that to what's around my mouth area, and then using dry down blood for my eyes. Later with an eye-specific blood in my actual eye for the effect of the bleeding.